Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo from Porta Magic. We installed a system at the hospital here in Santos, Sao Paulo, where we had approximately 10 turnstiles controlling access for visitors and employees inside the hospital. We installed another 20 access controls on restricted internal doors, where we were able to improve the quality and efficiency of personnel access with Control ID equipment. We worked 100% with equipment and software native to the manufacturer itself. So we will have a flow here of around 3,000 people visiting the hospital daily, plus about 2,000 employees here all the time coming and going. And that's why we chose to work with Control ID devices for access, because of the support and quality that the equipment offers.